I just witnessed an AI create a $47 digital product in 11 minutes, and it wrote the sales page, designed the funnel, created the entire curriculum, and it's already making sales. Hey, it's Ross Minchev here, and if you're still thinking like an affiliate in 2025, you are already losing. Look, I've been in this game for over a decade. I've made 7 figures as an affiliate. I was the #1 affiliate for System.io, made $48,000 in one go. I've had $300,000 plus months with pay-per-call marketing, and my business partner Mark and I won multiple times the ClickBank Platinum Award for generating over $1 million in affiliate commissions. But here's what nobody's telling you. The affiliate game is fundamentally changing, and AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's the weapon that is splitting marketers into 2 groups: those who stay affiliates forever and those who become digital product CEOs. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this shift is happening, why it's happening now, and the exact framework I'm using to help people make this transition smoother. So let's go. First, why affiliates are actually sitting on gold right now. Here is something most people get completely backwards when it comes to affiliate marketing. They think being an affiliate is the end goal. Make some commissions, rinse and repeat forever. But here's what I learned after 10 years and 7 figures in this game. Being an affiliate is actually the perfect training ground for becoming a digital product CEO. Think about it. When you're promoting someone else's offer, you're getting paid to do market research. You're testing which niches and topics are hungry and buying, what price points convert, what angles and hooks work, what traffic sources are profitable, what funnels actually close sales. So someone else took all the risk creating the product. You get to test it if people actually want it with their money on the line, not yours. I've promoted hundreds of offers over the years. Health supplements, make money courses, software tools, you name it. And every single campaign told me something. This niche converts at 3%, that one converts at 0.5%, this price point works on Facebook, that one works with warm traffic. This audience responds to fear, that one responds to aspiration. And so here is what most affiliates are missing. You're collecting the most valuable data in business: real conversion data, real traffic cost, real customer behavior. And once you have that data, once you know what works, that's when you create your own product in that proven niche. You're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping. You already know what works because you've been getting paid to test it. It's simple as that. So the evolution looks like this. Phase 1, be an affiliate, test offers, learn what converts, build skills. Phase 2, find your winning niche, the one where you're consistently profitable. Phase 3, create your product in that very same niche. Keep 100% of the commissions instead of 50%. Phase 4, build your empire. Multiple products, email lists, recurring revenue. But here is the crazy part. Phase 3 used to take 6 to 12 months. Now, with AI, you can do it in over a weekend. And that is what this video is really about. If you're already an affiliate, I'm going to show you how to take everything you've already learned, all the expensive data you've been collecting, and turn it into your asset. And if you've never been an affiliate, I'm going to show you why starting as one is the smartest path to becoming a digital product CEO, and how AI makes this entire journey faster than ever before. Let me show you how it works. This is the AI revolution nobody is talking about. Everyone is talking about AI, ChatGPT this, automation that, blah, blah, blah. But most people are using AI like a fancy calculator. Hey ChatGPT, write me an email. Hey Claude, give me some bullet points. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is AI as your digital product factory. So let me show you what's possible right now today with AI. Option 1, course creation. I can go to ChatGPT or Claude, feed it with a topic like how to build an email list from scratch, and in 20 minutes, I have a complete course outline, 8 modules written, scripts for videos, workbooks and checklists, email sequences to sell it. Option 2, ebook generation. If you've been following me for quite some time now, you remember my book of green remedies, right? I used Ghostwriter back then, cost me thousands, and it took 7 months to complete. This is a digital ebook that I created because at the time I was one of the biggest affiliates for promoting holistic treatment offers. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to create my own product into a holistic treatment niche and topic. But like I said, it took me 7 months to complete this book. Now I can create a 50-page ebook with AI in one day. Research, structured, written, formatted. All I have to do is guide it and add my personality twist to it. Option number 3, software and tools. This is the crazy part. I can literally describe a tool I want, like a funnel builder, a tracker, an automation dashboard, and AI can code it for me in seconds. I don't need to hire developers. I don't need to wait months. I can literally build software with AI using tools like Cursor, Lovable, or Base44. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you're not an affiliate marketer yet, watch the video in the description below to see how to become one step by step. But if you are, everything you already know as an affiliate, traffic offers, sales copy, psychology, tracking, these are the exact skills that make you dangerous product creator. You already know what people want to buy, what headlines convert, what price points work, how to structure an offer, and how to drive targeted traffic. Most people trying to create digital products have none of that. They are starting from zero. You're starting from 10 years ahead. All you need is the AI layer to turn your knowledge into products you own. Now here's the 4-step framework. Let's get tactical. I'm going to give you the exact 4 steps framework I'm using and teaching inside Profit Avengers to help affiliates become digital product CEOs. Every affiliate has a secret weapon. It's the one thing you've gotten really good at. Maybe you crush it with Facebook ads, Pinterest traffic. By the way, I was the first affiliate to make Pinterest work, and Pinterest even told me that. Maybe email sequences, or YouTube organic traffic, or TikTok shorts content, or building communities. Whatever it is, that's your first product. And again, to acquire these affiliate skills, if you're a beginner, watch the first video in the description below after you finish watching this one. But here's how to use AI to extract your knowledge. Sit down with ChatGPT and say, I've been running Facebook ads for 3 years. I've spent $200,000 or maybe $50,000 or whatever. I've had campaigns that did 5x ROAS. Help me create a $47 mini course teaching beginners my exact framework. AI will interview you, structure it, write it, you just guide the ship. Now in step 2, we're going to build a product in less than 48 hours. This is where most people freeze. They think creating a product takes months. Wrong. With AI, you can have a real product in less than 48 hours. And here is the stack. Day 1, morning. Outline your product with AI. Course, ebook, toolkit, whatever might be. Whatever fits. Day 1 again, but in the afternoon, have AI write the core content, modules, chapters, scripts. And in the evening, create your sales page using AI plus templates. You can use Lovable or even System304.com. Day 2, in the morning, record your videos if you're doing a course, or finalize your ebook, PDF. In the afternoon, build your funnel in System.io or, like I said, Lovable, and create your email sequences. And in the evening, test, tweak, and launch. So I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm saying it's done, and done is better than perfect. And this has been my mantra for years. You can improve it after you make your first sales. That's what I do usually. In step 3, we're going to get some traffic that you already know. Here's the beautiful part. You already know how to get traffic if you're already a skilled affiliate. The same Facebook ads you run for someone else's offer, run them for your own offer. The same YouTube videos you made promoting affiliate links, make them promoting your products. The Pinterest strategy that made you money, use it for your funnel. The traffic skills don't change. You just change who gets paid. That's simply it. Instead of getting 50% commissions going to someone else, you keep 100% commissions. Instead of losing the customer, you build the customer list with email lists. Instead of hoping the offer doesn't die, you control everything. And in the step 4, you have to scale with AI systems. So once you have a product working, here's where AI becomes your super powerhouse. You can scale pretty fast. Here's how. Create product variations. Turn your $47 course into a $197 coaching tier, a $997 mastermind, and maybe a $27 mini version or mini course version. When it comes to a holistic treatment ebook, I can create different upsells and different downsells. Or for my Green Remedy book, I can offer a course for holistic treatment as an upsell to the digital ebook that is about medicinal plants. And I can actually price this upsell $100, $200, $997, whatever it might be. I have to split test. Then build automated funnels. AI writes your emails, upsells and downsells. Launch complementary products. You made a traffic course, right? Now make an offer creation course. Now an email course, a funnel course. Like I said, I made a book about medicinal plants. Now I can make a course about holistic treatment. I can even make a course on how to prepare your own homemade remedies using medicinal plants. Use AI agents. I'm literally building AI systems that handle customer questions, onboarding, even sales calls. And by the way, if you want to see how I'm building this app with AI, comment down below, show me the app and give a thumbs up to this video and I'm gonna show it to you. But this is how you go from affiliate who is making 5 to 10K a month to digital CEO making 50 to 100K a month. Same skills, different structure. And AI is the bridge. I know some of you are thinking, hey Ross, this sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? Let me give you some real examples. My own shift, I built a school community that generates over $8,000 in monthly recurring revenue. I didn't hire a team of developers. I used AI to structure the curriculum, structure the onboarding process, and automate the onboarding process. I've also launched educational programs that have helped more than 10,000 people to make their first commissions online. Many of those programs were created using the exact framework I'm just sharing with you. And my newest innovation, the Phantom Funnel system, was designed and built with AI. I used AI agents, automation, and smart funnels to create campaigns that look invisible but convert like crazy. But also, not only me, inside Profit Avengers, I've got people inside this community where they were stuck as an affiliate, making $5,000 to $10,000 a month as affiliates, which is not bad, to be honest with you. I mean, for a person who has never ever been an affiliate, to start making 10K a month with affiliate marketing is pretty good. But we wanted to scale. So I showed them how to create their first digital product in a weekend using AI. One guy took his Facebook ads knowledge, turned into a $97 course and made $8,000 in his first launch. Another person took their Pinterest strategy, which actually they learned from me, packaged it with AI and now sells it as a toolkit. Here's what I see happening in the next 12 to 24 months. The smartest affiliates will stop chasing offers and start building ecosystems. They will have their own front-end products like $27 to $97, their own email lists, thousands of buyers, their own back-end programs, $500 to $2,000, and their own communities and recurring revenue. And they will use AI to do in weeks what used to take years. That's the future and that's what's happening right now. So here is where we are. You have a choice to make today. Choice number 1, stay an affiliate. Keep hunting for offers, keep hoping your campaigns don't die, keep giving away your customers. And there is nothing wrong with that. I made millions doing the same thing, being an affiliate. And I'm currently an affiliate as well. But like I said, I'm using affiliate marketing to test offers, to test niches, and then I create my own products around these affiliate topics. But again, it's a treadmill. You stop running, you stop earning. Choice 2, on the other hand, become a digital product CEO. Take everything you already know, package it with AI, and own your own business. And it doesn't have to be about running ads and being a media buyer. It could be everything. Because remember my holistic book or my book of green remedies? I didn't know anything about green remedies. Trust me on that. I didn't even know what medicinal plants are. But in the process of promoting these very same affiliate offers for more than 2 years, after 2 years, I decided, you know what? I'm going to create my own product that is in the same niche, in the same category, because I've researched so many things about green remedies and holistic treatments that I actually became a pro. I actually know how to make my own home remedies right now. I know it's very surprising, but all these years I've accumulated knowledge that I actually became expert into medicinal plants. So creating your own product, you build assets, you build lists, you build leverage. I'm not saying quit affiliate marketing. I still promote offers, but now I do it on my own terms. I promote to my list. I send traffic through my funnels. I build my brand and multiple brands. And AI made that transition 100 times easier than it was 2 years ago. Look, I've been doing this for over a decade. I've made 7 figures. I've been featured in Forbes. I've been contacted by Yahoo Finance. I've been featured in all of these news outlets. And I'm telling you right now, this is the biggest shift I've seen in digital marketing since Facebook ads opened up back in 2012. The people who move now will dominate. The people who wait, they will be stuck watching from the sidelines. So here's what I want you to do. Step 1. If this video resonated with you, smash the like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more affiliates who might need it or might need to see it. Step 2. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going deep on AI strategies, affiliate evolution, coaching, and digital product creation. In other words, how to be more financially independent. Step 3. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the one skill you have as an affiliate that you could turn into a digital product? Or what is the one skill that you have overall that you can turn into a digital product? Is it Facebook ads, email marketing? Maybe you understand Pinterest, maybe TikTok, maybe gardening, whatever it might be. Just drop a comment. Let me know. I read every single comment. And if you want the full roadmap, the tools, the templates, the AI prompts, the exact funnels I'm using to help people make this shift, check out Profit Avengers. It's on theschool.com. But remember, you're not just an affiliate. You're a marketer, a strategist, a trafficker, a closer. AI just gave you the keys to the kingdom. The only question is, are you going to use them? I'll see you in the next video.